What is this?
Get out of it. Get out of it.
Anywho's. So today, Matt and I are actually in the same spot. And because we've only got a couple of jobs to do before the van is finished, or majorly finished, just the detailing's left, we're gonna attempt to smash it out, which is no small project, but early morning because of that. Look at all these fancy tools. Alright, trying to take some wood out, make some holes. If everything goes wrong, it was Matt's fault. Woohoo! We've got a hole! Woohoo! Gotta sing. Whee! Woo!
I don't fit. So that's it, we're good. Probably that far in, and probably that same amount. Oh, probably a bit more actually. So another piece and more.
Okay.
So we'll have that width times 2. The edge piece, the rail, and then another one.
Okay, so I shouldn't make the door till after.
Not till I get these 2 pieces. Put them there, and probably add another 10 mil.
Well, I'll do the sink then.
The door's gonna be pretty small.
I mean,
This side's pathetic. There's a way.
just the fridge. Yeah.
No, you want the controls at the front.
Ah, okay.
And oh, what about the power cord?
Where's the power cord?
Oh, power cord's at the front. What's that great big thing?
Is it perfect now?
Huh?
Is it perfect now?
Gonna find perfect. Should I sand this?
I don't know.
Fuck it.
Oi, you're supposed to be working? Okay. There we go. Ooh. This is fun. Thank you for sharing.
Like 40 minutes or something? Oh no, not that long. It's just a longer one, not normal.
Can I have that drill? Are you serving it? So yesterday we were supposed to finish the van. We were supposed to get everything done, and basically we almost did, but then I had to go do a little bit of work somewhere else, and Matt was left on his own, and he basically got it all done. And now, why is this so bad? There's just a couple of things left for me to do, and then we've got the electronics, but some little issues with that, but that's alright. The majority of it is now done. Yeah, the majority of it is now done. So, just the little touches now. How good. He mounted the switchboard yesterday, so that will go here somewhere. I'll finish putting that in today, and then we'll actually hook it up later. He also put the water pump in, and it's functional, so that's awesome. And then next is the drain, which will go in shortly. Yeah.